Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dilshan Dhanushka. My presentation part is food contamination precaution. Next slide. Content. There are five content in my presentation. First one, hotel building management. Second one, food contamination. Third one, different types of food contamination. Fourth one, food precaution. And last one is food precaution methods. Next slide. Hotel building management. A hotel property management system is a series of technology used by hoteliers to handle their day-to-day hotel operations, such as booking, receptions, housekeeping, cleaning, and invoicing, analytics, and reporting. Both of these operations can be time intensive and labor intensive. So the aim of a model PMS system is to save hotel management uh, and their workers. A building management communities usually use the same building when different style of use a keyword. Next slide. Food contamination. Food pollution refers to the present in food to harmful chemicals and microchemics that can cause diseases in the consumer. Only after several years to manufacturing and sustain exposed to how levels is effect to chemicals, pollutions of consumer health and well-being sometimes avoided. Next slide. Different types of food contamination. Biological contamination. Biological contamination occurs when food is contaminated by bacteria or other destructive microorganisms. It is common cases of poisoning and food spoilage. Next slide. Chemical contamination. When chemicals get into food, chemicals pollution happens in the commercial kitchen. Common sources of chemical pollution include. Next slide. Physical contamination. Physical contamination happens when physical objective enter food. Common sources of physical contamination include, uh, for example, hair, jewelry, pets. Next slide. Cross contamination. Cross contamination is in a food setting refers to the transfer of pollutions of from of surface them individual in several difference from this can happens. Popular cross contamination cases include. Uh, Next slide. Food precaution. Uh, there are fourth method in food precaution. Keep food safe is versatile absent of heavily eating by adopting safe food handling practices. Individually in their owners' homes can be eliminate pollutions and keep and safe to eat. Clean, slate, prepare and chill and cook are four basic food safe principles that work together reduce the risk of foodborne illnesses. Next slide. Clean. Uh, as an example, wash with soap and water, sanitize surplus, clean sweep, uh, clean appliances, cleans, rinse produce. Next slide. Separate. Uh, for example, separate foods when shopping, separate foods when preparing and serving. Next slide. Cook and chill. For example, use food thermometer when cooking. Cook food to save interior temperature. Uh, Keep foods same temperatures. and thank you.